Plenty of is a common English phrase used to express having more than enough of something. It shows abundance or a large quantity beyond what is needed. This phrase helps beginners talk about having sufficient amounts in everyday situations. Here are simple examples of plenty of. There is plenty of time means enough time exists. We have plenty of food means sufficient food is available. Eat plenty of fruit suggests consuming a good amount of fruit. Plenty of people came indicates many people attended. Plenty of often combines with prepositions. Plenty of food in the kitchen means food exists in that location. Plenty of time for the meeting shows adequate time is allocated. Plenty of water on the table indicates water is placed there. Plenty of space in the room means sufficient area exists. Plenty of has similar expressions. A lot of food means the same as plenty of food. Lots of time equals plenty of time. Loads of people is like plenty of people. Heaps of money matches plenty of money. These phrases all show abundance. Here are additional examples. There is plenty of room in the house means space exists. She brought plenty of snacks for the party shows she prepared enough. We have plenty of options to choose from indicates choices are available. Plenty of people enjoy learning English shows many participate. Plenty of works with countable nouns like books and apples. It also works with uncountable nouns like water and time. The phrase appears mainly in affirmative sentences. It always means more than enough quantity exists. Compare these expressions. Plenty of water equals lots of water. Plenty of time matches a lot of time. Plenty of books is the same as loads of books. Plenty of help equals heaps of help. All these phrases convey the same meaning of abundance. Practice using plenty of. There is plenty of food shows sufficiency. We need plenty of water indicates requirement. She has plenty of books demonstrates possession. Plenty of time remains means duration continues. Repeat these to remember the pattern.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.